Today I'm making a plate of salad. It will include three things: soba noodles, roasted veggies, and minty lemon quinoa. So, first of all, I will tell you about soba noodles and quinoa. Use any brand of soba noodles that is available. Now, first of all, take a big patila, like big bowl, and fill it 1/4. Then add salt to it and let it boil. Then add half soba noodles, like how much quantity you want to eat. I have used half of it, and let it cook on medium to low flame. Now let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes, and then जब वो थोड़ा cook हो जाए, you have to mix it and add 1 cup of cold water into it and mix it again. You have to mix in between so that noodles don't stick with each other. And जब noodles थोड़ा boil में आ जाए, then you have to check थोड़ा सा noodle निकाल के whether it is cooked or not, and if it is cooked you can just leave it, otherwise cook it for few more minutes. Now these are the veggies that we will need for our noodles. These are for soba noodles and the big ones are for veggies. Now drain your soba noodles and rinse it with cold water, and then add little bit of olive oil and then mix it together so that noodles don't stick together. Don't forget this step, otherwise your noodles will stick together. In one bowl, take all the veggies that you want to have, then add soba noodles. Now, in another bowl, we will make the dressing of the noodles. Add 2-3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, then 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Add salt according to taste and pepper, half teaspoon. Then add 2 tablespoons of honey and mix together. And add pinch of lemon juice and mix. Pour the dressing over the noodles and mix it, and yes, soba noodles are ready. Serve it. Now we will move toward the second step, that is making quinoa. For quinoa, take 1 cup of quinoa and 2 cup of boiling water. Pour quinoa over it and let it cook for some time. Then add pinch of pepper and salt according to the taste and let it cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes.
Beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone.
After cooking for 12 to 15 minutes, this is a result that you want. Add a pinch of lemon juice and coriander leaf over it and serve it. Now we will move toward our third step in this salad plate. Now for the roasted veggies, you can take any veggies that is available with you. I have taken capsicum, carrot, onion and potato. Now for the veggies, in this video I will show how to roast veggies in an air fryer. But you can also make it in a like kadhai, just saute it, or in a preheated oven. I will also tell the steps for that too. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil into it, then sprinkle onion and pepper. Now mix together and let it stay here for 5 minutes. Then preheat your air fryer at 180 degree for 3 minutes. Then after 3 minutes, pour all the veggies into it and then cook at 180 degree for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. But you have to check in between and like उसको ऐसे मूव करना है, सो दैट वेजीज जो है वो ऐसे रोस्ट होते टाइम चारों तरफ से कम्प्लीटली रोस्ट हो जाए.
Love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand